People keep asking me to do a makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna do. I secured the hair with the headband. And ignore the water on my hand. So first I'm gonna do concealer. This one looks like a pencil. This one is running out, but I do like that. And then I'm gonna contour my nose like that. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. And then once I do that, I put concealer like that and go around it with like a light brown. And then I put highlighter here and here. Now I'm gonna do liquid blush, cream blush, but like very lightly. And then some setting powder, which I don't even know what this is for. I just use it for some reason. Okay, before I do anything else, we're gonna do the lip liner. And this is what the thing looks like. I hate doing this part, but we have to do my eyeliner. You can see I already did this earlier, but I start from under my eye and then I drag it out to like there or something. But basically you just go from under your eye, go directly up, and then connect it back to your eye. And now we're gonna fix it up with real eyeliner, which I use this eyeliner. It's you know, you can find this at like Target. I got it from Target. And I don't like liquid liner. Well, this is liquid liner, but it's like a pencil. These are the mascaras I use. These are from the same brand. And then I don't even know what the balls this one is. And I do the top lashes and the bottom lashes. This one's really tiny, so I really only do on my bottom lashes because look how baby that is. So typically I would stop here for school, but sometimes I do lashes if I'm filming a video or something. But I don't feel like putting lashes on because I am having people over, so. Okay, so that's basically it.